Okay, honey, you gotta let him come to you, okay? All right, sweetie, come back here.
Oh, there she comes.
Come back here. There's the birdie. Good job. Yeah. Okay, let's come back to Papa. Come back here, honey. Come back here, and he'll come and get those. Okay? He'll come further in if we stay further back. I think the bird likes you. Huh? Yeah, yeah. What's not to love? Here he comes. Come back by Papa. Come back here. Come back here. Come on. Here he comes. Let him be. Oh, here he is again. Okay, come back here. There's more on the carpet. He'll come and get them. He'll be back in a minute. If we don't get too close, though. We don't want to scare him. Have you ever seen a bird come in a house before?
Quiet, she said. Oh.
Yeah. You can see it. He'll come in a minute.
Why don't Alana, take the peanut and put it closer. Go slow. There you go.
Just one. And throw it up there.
Throw it up there. There! Did you see?
He got it already. He'll get him. Come back by me. He'll come get him this time. He'll come get him.
We better check the cookies.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're smelling good.
Okay, push stop.